This video covers Coinbase versus Exodus wallet. Choosing the right crypto wallet can dramatically improve how you manage your cryptocurrency without risking security or usability issues. We'll explore both options briefly to help you decide which fits your needs best. Coinbase and Exodus wallet are two popular crypto wallets, but they serve different purposes. Coinbase is primarily an exchange with integrated wallet features, while Exodus is a standalone software wallet focused on user control and privacy. The core difference lies in custody and platform approach. Coinbase Wallet is a product by Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange designed to offer both wallet and trading capabilities. It functions as a custodial wallet when using the exchange, meaning Coinbase holds your private keys, simplifying access but requiring trust in their security. Coinbase Wallet also offers a non-custodial standalone app, giving users full control of their keys. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with Coinbase's trading features, making it easy to buy, sell, and store assets in one place. Strengths include strong security protocols, insurance coverage for custodial wallets, and beginner-friendly interfaces. However, limitations include fees associated with trading and less privacy due to regulatory compliance. Ideal users are beginners or those who want an all-in-one solution combining exchange and wallet services, valuing convenience and security from a regulated provider. More details on Coinbase Wallet can be found at Coinbase's official site. Exodus Wallet is a non-custodial software wallet designed for desktop and mobile, focusing on user control and privacy. Unlike Coinbase, Exodus never holds your private keys. Instead, users maintain full ownership of their assets. It supports over 100 cryptocurrencies and provides an intuitive interface with built-in exchange features powered by third-party partners. Exodus emphasizes ease of use with visually appealing charts and portfolio tracking tools, making it accessible for users who prefer managing their crypto independently. Its strengths include strong encryption, no registration or KYC requirements, and compatibility with hardware wallets like Trezor for added security. Limitations include reliance on third-party exchanges for swaps, which may result in higher fees, and the lack of integrated fiat on-ramps like Coinbase offers. Ideal users are those experienced with crypto who prioritize control, privacy, and flexibility without the need for centralized exchange services. For more information, visit Exodus's official website. Comparing Coinbase and Exodus Wallet highlights key trade-offs. Coinbase offers a seamless experience for buying, selling, and storing crypto under one roof, ideal for beginners or users seeking convenience and regulatory assurance. However, this comes with custodial control, meaning you trust Coinbase with your private keys and face trading fees. Exodus Wallet, on the other hand, provides full control over your assets and prioritizes privacy, perfect for users comfortable managing their own security. It lacks direct fiat purchase options, requiring external exchanges for buying crypto. In real-world terms, if you want a simple, regulated platform to start trading quickly, Coinbase fits well. If you want to hold diverse assets securely with full ownership and avoid centralized custody, Exodus is the better choice. Both wallets support multiple cryptocurrencies and offer built-in exchange features, but the difference in custody and user experience defines their core appeal. Choose Coinbase Wallet if you prefer an integrated exchange experience with strong security and regulatory backing, especially suited for beginners and active traders. Exodus Wallet is the better option for those prioritizing privacy, control, and a user-friendly interface without relying on centralized custody. It's ideal for experienced users who want to manage their crypto independently while enjoying a visually intuitive platform.